Guys, now I've made a lot of videos for different types of power banks, but today I have to say that I have something quite special to show you. Now, we all know that wireless charging creates a lot of heat, and some might say it's not a very efficient way to charge. However, enter the IceMag 2 from Charge. Now, this power bank has active cooling, active cooling. So stick around to see how cool, yeah, I know, bit of a pun, but yes, how cool this power bank is. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Charge IceMag 2. Now, if you don't know Charge, then they make a ton of gadgets, including SSD enclosures, power banks, chargers, cables, and a lot more. But today, guys, yes, we are looking at this IceMag 2 with active cooling and Qi 2 charging, which we're going to discuss shortly. Now, before we get into it, Charge sent me this IceMag 2 to review and exchange my honest opinion. And guys, you know, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and you have some instructions. You then have this other small box which contains a USB-C to USB-C connecting cable. Now, I say connecting cable as you can use this cable to charge the power bank and also to connect the power bank to your phone or tablet. Then guys, you have the power bank itself, and just look at it. This is the coolest power bank I've ever seen. You have the magnetic base on one side, and flip it over and you've got this semi-transparent panel which you can see some of the components and that very unique fan setup. Also guys, on the back you have some LEDs to show you what power you're actually charging at, and you've got this on-off switch which enables you to turn it on and off. And guys, about that fan, well, this is no ordinary fan. This fan has RGB lighting. Turn it on its side and you have some vents where those LEDs shine through. And then guys, a really nice touch is this kickstand. Now, this is really handy as you can charge your device and use it to watch content at the same time. Now guys, as I said, this IceMag 2 is Qi 2 compliant. It's got 15 watts wireless charging, which is twice as fast as Qi 1. You're also getting 30 watts maximum two-way USB-C fast charging. And when I say two-way, I mean you can charge the IceMag 2 whilst charging your phones, tablets, AirPods, watch, the lot. Now, battery capacity is a solid 10,000 milliamp hours. There's also a unique low current mode for charging smaller devices. Like I said, you can charge your watches, Apple Watch, you've got to do that via a cable plugged in, or Samsung Watch, or earbuds, AirPods, whatever. And you know what? It's airline safe, which means it's great for travelers. Now guys, let's take a look at this bad boy in action. We can lay a phone on it horizontally or vertical and it charges right up. The magnet strength is good. I mean, this holds the phone really securely. I'm using the iPhone 16 Pro and there's no movement. It also works with Galaxy phones as well as iPhones and any other phone with Qi charging. Now guys, you can pop your AirPods or an Apple Watch on there and the low current mode kicks in. You've got to do the Apple Watch, like I said, with a cable, but your AirPods can sit straight on the magnetic charging pad. And guys, the pass-through charging feature is very handy. We can charge the power bank and a phone or AirPods at the same time. Just plug in the power bank and pop your phone on and you are good to go. You can even charge two devices at once. Plug one phone in via a cable and wirelessly charge another on top. I mean, it's pretty neat, right? Or you know what, you can also charge your phone and earbuds simultaneously, equally quite cool. To check the battery level, guys, just tap the power button once. The LEDs will show you how much juice is left. It turns on automatically when you put a device on it and turns off after around 30 seconds of inactivity. And guys, with that kickstand, you are all set for watching content while you charge your device, all hands-free. And lastly, with that transparent design and that RGB lighting, this makes the design, I think, a bit of a masterpiece. So guys, there you have it. The Charge Ice Mag 2 in all its glory. It's got fast charging, active cooling. I can actually feel the cooling coming out of these side vents. It's got a built-in kickstand. It's got RGB lighting and it looks great. If you're in the market for a new power bank, I'd definitely check this one out. And whilst it's not the slimmest power bank out there, it's certainly the coolest and the most versatile. And guys, this bad boy comes in at around £69.99, which isn't the cheapest, but you are getting a lot of tech here for the money. The fact that this is Qi 2, delivers more power, and you can simultaneously charge two devices, and you have that cooling fan, which is going to make your wireless charging more efficient. This really is good bang for the buck. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. And thanks to Charge for sending me this cool and very useful power bank. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.